Hey guys, alright, sorry for being so loud. Alright, so this is Subway Surf again, but this time it's a new version. Welcome to Washington DC. It's in America, okay. First it was in Hawaii, now it was in Transylvania, and now it's I got quite a lot of money. Find in alright. Next. What? What? What else did I do? Alright, that was weird. Right, let's just tap to play then. And put in the comments below if I should show you guys how to build not a big Minecraft house, but a Minecraft house. Just tell me if you want to see that. If you don't, just put in any game. I'll try and download it. Yeah. So oh my gosh. So yeah, comment down below if you want to see that. Yeah, and I'll put the app that I'm using in the description, and I'll tell you guys if I should do that video. So yeah, should be fun doing it. I've already tested it out and it looks good. I've finished one version, but I'm gonna do a next version, but upgrade the house a bit more. Like, I only did like a square with a doorway, but like now it's gonna be damn, it's gonna be like I forgot now. I have no idea. It's gonna be like more better, like instead of a block. That was tight. Instead of a block, it's gonna be with a pool upstairs, more walls, and all that. So yeah, and I even, if I have time, even might do a Minecraft survival tutorial thing. I don't know, like them stuff. Like, I'll do survival stuff, like how well I do on survival. Yeah. So it should be interesting. And I downloaded this app which does a face camera. I was gonna do try not to cry challenge because I cry a lot, and yeah, but then guess what happened? I realised that I don't. Oh my gosh, I'm dying so much. I can't show my face on camera, so that sucks. Yeah. And I have no idea. There are people in our house. I've just come back from mosque. Yeah. And what? Instead of doing hey guys, I might do. Oh my gosh! I might do a different intro. Like, I'm gonna try and find an editing intro thing. So instead of just me saying hey guys, in a boring voice, I actually might make it like with some music and like colours and stuff like that. Just make it a bit more interesting. Yeah. So, boom, vote. Bye. Exactly. Okay. And that game that Andrew Mactar suggested that I forgot what it was called. Don't touch the spikes. It's a really addicting game. I'm actually gonna think of doing a part 3, but I might not. I'm gonna download some more games. So yeah, I'm doing quite well in this. Oh yes. What are you doing? Yeah. Right, if I die this time, I'm gonna flipping knock this out. Ah! Ah! Knock you out. What the hell?
I got you a key.
Good.
Hey, you fuck.
You're not allowed to say. That was the person that just come to our house. Well, yeah, guys. And no. Yeah, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. And I'll see you in another video.